This video will explore the life cycle that a natural resource undergoes from being undiscovered all the way to becoming a useful consumable product such as electricity. The ideas that we will be bridging together is reserves, stock and flow, and occurrence. If these are topics you want to know more in depth about, please see their related videos. Reserves are the natural resources we have the ability to extract right now. Therefore, when we extract them, this becomes the input, the inflow to the stock. This stock, when used up, is an outflow, and it goes into a specific process, maybe like a power plant. This process will create products we intended to make, along with inevitable products we didn't intend to make, known as byproducts. Some of these byproducts will become waste, and when this waste piles up, it's known as an accumulation. Reserves are natural resources that are either fuels, minerals, or elements. Fuels is part of a bigger idea known as primary energy. Primary energy accounts for natural resources that are known as fuels, but also flows. It's important to not get mixed up between primary energy flows and stock flows. These flows can either be non-dispatchable or dispatchable. Essentially, what dispatchable means is that it has the ability to be turned on and off when we need them. Dispatchable flow is only really water. A dispatchable flow has the ability to become a stock. But a non-dispatchable flow cannot be harnessed. We cannot have a stock that's ready to go, and we can only use them when they're readily available, like wind and solar power. Therefore, non-dispatchable flows go straight into the process. We've currently been discussing about the natural resources that we're able to extract at the present moment. But how about the natural resources that we have yet to find? A hypothetical natural resource is one that is currently unknown to us. When we have the technology to finally discover it, we're going to realize one of two things. It's either going to be economic to extract or not. If it's not economically viable to extract for us, it's going to be placed as a conditional resource. But once we know about it, and we have the good prices to extract it, and we have the technology to extract it, it becomes part of the reserve. The conditional still has the ability to be a reserve. It's just going to have to find the good prices to do so and the technology to extract it, and then it has its way to becoming a reserve. Therefore, the grand idea that wraps around all the resources that we currently know about and the resources that we have yet to find, the resources that we know are economically extractable, but may not have the technology or the political position to do so, is known as the natural resources occurrence. This concludes the natural resources life cycle flowchart. Using these ideas, the goal is to provide the fundamental ideas that explain how technology and economics dictate the choices we make about natural resources.